Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a mint marker. Mint markers are small letters or symbols found on coins, indicating the specific mint where they were produced. These tiny marks are crucial for collectors and can significantly impact a coin's value. Understanding their location and appearance is the first step in identifying them. We'll cover common placements and what to look for on various denominations. To effectively locate a mint marker, you'll need good lighting and a magnifying tool, ideally one with 5 times to 10 times magnification. Start by examining the coin's reverse side, as many markers are found below the eagle or other central design elements. Don't forget to check the obverse side too, particularly near the date or the portrait of the historical figure. Patience is key, as these markers can be quite small. Different mint marks correspond to specific United States mints. For example, AP typically denotes coins struck at the Philadelphia Mint, while AD indicates the Denver Mint. The S mark is for the San Francisco Mint, and W represents the West Point Mint. Knowing these common symbols helps you identify the origin of your coin and can be vital for accurate appraisal and collection organization. The presence and rarity of a mint mark can dramatically influence a coin's market value. Some mint marks are much scarcer than others, making those coins highly sought after by collectors. Always consider the coin's overall condition, its historical significance, and current market demand when assessing its worth. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy collecting, and may your next find be a valuable one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.